Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by blocking in the main geometry. That gives the whole icon structure. Draw a clean outer circle for the compass base, then add a light vertical and horizontal cross to find center and quadrants. Next, place a smaller inner circle about 1/4 to 1/3 the diameter. This becomes the dial. Once done, make sure the proportions look balanced. Small adjustments now save work later. Keep lines light so you can refine edges as you progress. Now you shift focus to the dial and needle because these define the safari look. Refine the inner ring with consistent stroke width, then draw the needle as two tapered shapes, a longer red point and a shorter light counterpoint, slightly offset so they read as layered. Add subtle tick marks every 30 degrees and make the north tick larger for readability. As you work, zoom in to keep edges crisp. That preserves the icon's clarity when scaled down. Finish by applying color and subtle lighting to sell the form. Use a blue radial gradient behind the dial, centered beneath the needle, so the highlight leads the eye. Shade the rim with soft inner shadow and add a thin highlight on the top edge. Keep shadow layers at 20 to 30% opacity. Once done, inspect alignment and contrast. If the needle looks off, nudge it a pixel or two and smooth any jagged edges. That one adjustment usually fixes the most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.